I had a puttering session the other day, and the person was sort of torn up about this needing to convince people to trust them. And how do I build credibility? You know, kind of how do I sell myself? Because I'm the person, you know, they're buying me. And, you know, I've said this before, but of course, who you are and your vibe will play a big role in whether people sign up with you or not. But there's no need to sell yourself. You just share yourself and the people go this way or that, and it's up to them. That's fine. But what I said to him is that credibility is fundamentally about the process and not the person. It's about the point of view, not the person. They trust us much more because of how we see things than what they see when they look at us. That's much more important. I mean, yeah, our personality, our style, our aesthetic, that factors in. But at the end of the day, the credibility is really based on our perspective. So another way to say this is, instead of standing up on stage and saying, hey, everybody, trust me. Trust me. I have your best interest in heart. Trust me. That's the least trustworthy thing to say. There's two things to say that are immediately more trustworthy. The first one is, of course, I trust you. Hey, look, I trust you to make the right decision, whether to work with me or somebody else, if this offer is the right one or not. I trust you. No pressure. You make the decision yourself and you let me know. That is incredibly trust building. Second, though, is that we say, trust this. Don't trust me. Trust this. Whether or not somebody works with me, Tad Hargrave of Marketing for Hippies, I will make the case to trust these perspectives I'm talking about. And why? I mean, I didn't come up with a lot of these. I was entrusted with them. I inherited these things from other people. Ari Galper, you know, of course, Mark Silver, George Cow, you know, we've influenced each other. And I found some ideas that have struck me as particularly trustworthy, that the ideas are trustworthy. You know, me as a human being, it's a questionable proposition to trust a person. So I just don't say trust me, but rather trust this. Whether or not you work with me, whether you spend any money with me, try this out. See how it is for you. Give this a try. Trust this more than trust me. I think it's a better way to approach the marketing. Yeah, not trying to focus on ourselves, focus on our personality, but focus on our point of view. And of course, yes, the personality will also play into it, and that's as it should be and proper. But it's really not the main game. So there you go. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you give this video a like, I'd be deeply grateful. And if you want to share it with friends or colleagues, that'd be great. And of course, you can follow me on other platforms, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. I'd love to see you there. Take care.